Sai Chandran. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'd like to do the 15 games multitasking and speed test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus the Mi11X device. Yes, so this is the speed test which I'm trying to do after the recent software in the Mi11X smartphone, and even the iQOO 7 also went under different kind of software updates meanwhile. And I'm not using any kind of game turbo or nor the ultra game mode. So without using any kind of game boosters, I'll try to open the games. Let's see which phone will be open and which phone will be having really good RAM management and multitasking. That is the best thing to check which phone is that. I do know it's not practical way to check because most of the people, they don't keep this 15 games open in the background. I don't know that, but I just want to see which phone did handle this kind of Snapdragon 870 processor and optimization really good. That is what my point is, and I'm trying to use the external RAM. Yes, the iQOO 7 which has got the external RAM capabilities, I'm trying to use that feature. It is enabled during this time of testing. That is the one thing which I thought of showing you. And all the applications from the background is completely closed. As you can see, friends, there's no background applications at all. You can clearly see that. And both phones are connected to the 5 GHz network only. As you can see, both phones 5 GHz. So that's also done. So now it should be kind of equal between both phones. Let me try to clear even this application as well. So now let's get started, friends, with the first application, first game, which I'm going to test, which is Battlegrounds mobile gameplay. Let's see which phone will be able to open faster. So that's what my testing is. Let's see which phone. And ultra game mode I did turn off in this iQOO 7 device. That is the reason you are seeing this kind of notification as well. So both phones are kind of close, I think, but the iQOO 7 did open little bit kind of faster, little bit. iQOO 7, just as you can see this page little bit kind of faster. But let's see the login page. Yes, the iQOO 7 did open slightly faster. Let's see, friends, which phone can actually store 15 games. So this is not a joke because it takes the phone to be like really very tough to keep this kind of games open in the background. So let's see which phone can actually maintain how many games, at least how many games can actually maintain in the background. So let's see the login, which phone will show the login. Sign in first Mi11X did show, as you can see, Mi11X did show the first login. So right now both phones are logging in exactly same time, as you can see. And now let's see the login page. I think both are kind of same. Nothing much difference in this case. As you can see, there's not much difference. I did observe. So let me go back to the home page and keeping everything clean, and let's start with the Free Fire. Let's see Free Fire which game we'll be able to open. So you see this kind of message just saying that ultra game mode is off. So apart from that, there's nothing other message is displaying. So first is the iQOO 7 device, which is to turn on. And next is a Mi11X device, little bit kind of late, but not much. So oh my god, I need to clear all these pop-ups every time I open this game. So I'm not sure why. There should be some kind of option to disable all the pop-ups. So next is a PUBG. Let's see the PUBG, which phone can open faster. So sometimes I did feel the Mi11X slightly opening, sometimes iQOO 7 device, but there's not much difference, only few seconds. So my point is not comparing this exact few seconds. My point is to compare the RAM management. That is what my point exactly is. Sorry friends, there's some kind of software update did happen in the iQOO 7 device. That is the reason I was unable to open. Let me try to clear the PUBG and let me try to start again. Sorry for the inconvenience. So my only point is to see which phone can actually store how many games in the background. That is what my point. So this is what I'm trying to see, and both phone storage are completely filled to 95% and 93, 92. Yes, both phones are filled to the same kind of storage only. So little bit kind of faster in the iQOO 7 device, little bit. As you can clearly see, we did get the login page and same Wi-Fi network. So both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Let me try to go back to the home screen. Let's see. So now let me try to open next game, which is the Ace Force. Let's see the Ace Force, which phone will be able to open faster the game. So there's a small update which I need to do for this game. So that is the reason I did let me try to close this game, Ace Force only. I'm trying to close and let me try to open it again. So let's see now this time, and I can see the Mi11X is slightly opened faster. This pop-up came first in the Mi11X device. So next is the Subway Surf. Let's see the Subway Surf, which phone will be able to open faster. I think slightly faster in the iQOO 7 device, slightly, little bit. As you can clearly see, a little bit faster in the iQOO 7 device. Let's move to the next game, which is sorry, I did click slightly faster. I'm not sure. Let me try to click again the Candy Crush, little bit. Yes. Now let's see which phone will be able to. I think Mi11X. So next is a Getaway 2. Let's see the Getaway 2, which phone will be able to open faster. So both are having same Snapdragon 870 chipset. That's the one thing which you need to remember, and both are kind of same. Not bad. So next is the Temple Run. Which phone? I think both are kind of same. even the Temple Run. There's nothing much difference I did observe. I think as you can see friends, both are kind of loading at same pace only. So let's the pop-up, which I think IQ7 did come the pop-up first, the Temple Run. Next is a Minecraft trial. Let's see the Minecraft trial, which phone can open faster. IQ7 did open faster, as you can see clearly. Yes, IQ7. Next is the MI Linux device. Not problem. Next is the Clash of Clans. So just only few seconds friends, just only few seconds. So now I'm not declaring the IQ7 is a winner, because we need to wait. We need to wait for the RAM management. That is when we decide which phone is a winner. So let's see the standoff 2. So standoff 2. So first loaded in the IQ7 device. As you can see the login and everything. And right now it's getting loaded in the MI Linux device. I'm not sure why it's kind of late. I cannot see any image loading, but there's nothing coming. Yeah, just now it popped up. I'm not sure why it took this much of time, the standoff game. That's kind of strange. So there's no game turbo as well during this process of testing. So right now it's still loading. So now it connected to my login and everything. Same Wi-Fi network I'm trying to use during this time of testing. Same Wi-Fi. And it's loading. Yep, it's loaded a little bit. There must be some kind of problem with the application, I think. And now next is a BB Racing. Let's see this small game, which phone? Beach Buggy Racing. IQ7 little bit got popped up first. First is IQ7 and next is a Smash Hit. Let's see the Smash Hit. Which one can actually do it? I think first in the IQ7 device, as you can see. First. Next is Classy Roads. So these are the very small applications I thought of including. So some big applications and some small games, not applications. So now I did open 15 games in the background, as you can see. 15 games starting from the Battlegrounds India, as you can see. Everything was set in the background, everything. As you can see friends, completely everything in the background. You can clearly see that. So one small annoying thing is that, so in the multitasking, sometimes some games and some application then don't show exact what it is. For example, in the standoff 2, it did open the login page, but you cannot see that login page. Yes, sometimes in the MI Linux device I did observe, so make sure to comment below in case if you feel the same or not. Even the Candy Crush, it did open the login page, but you're seeing black. Sometimes I'm not sure why. So now let's try coming from the back side. Let's try to open one by one game. Let's see which phone can actually able to store this many games. 15 games. So 15 games. Let's see the Clash of Clans. That's okay, no problem. Both phones got loaded. Clash of Clans. And next is a Minecraft trial. Both phones got loaded. Not bad. And next is a Temple Run. Temple Run. Both phones not loaded. Not bad. Next is a Getaway 2. Getaway 2, as you can see friends, the IQ7 did not get load. So it's directly it popped up, and whereas the MI Linux did load up, as you can clearly see here. So next is a Candy Crush. Let's see this small game Candy Crush. As you can see friends, the IQ7 did not get loaded, so it's perfectly there. Next is Subway Surf. Subway Surf as well. That's wow, that's wonderful. As you can see friends, till Temple Run, same thing as happens. Till Temple Runs both are same, but extra points now the IQ7 is gaining. Right now 3 points and 4 points the IQ7 has got. 4 points till Ace Force. Not bad. 4 points. Now is the PUBG game. Let's see. I don't think the PUBG game will be opened at this point because it's a big game. As I said, obviously it's not open. There's no point. I do know that, because I did include some kind of mixed kind of big games and small games together. So that is the reason the PUBG is not open. And even the Free Fire, I don't think so. Oh wow, that's kind of great. The Free Fire is open in the IQ7 device, friends. That's fantastic. Oh my god. So 5 points, extra points, the IQ7 right now it has got 5 extra points. That's not a joke. It's not a normal applications which we use. It's a games, combination of games. That's fantastic friends. So overall the MI Linux did stop only around Temple Run. So after that it did not load any games at all, whereas IQ7 did load till Ace Force, till Free Fire. I think only 3 games were missed. Battlegrounds Mobile, Call of Duty and the PUBG. These 3 games did not open well in the IQ7 device. Apart from that, so remaining games did open. Some games they did refresh because they need to refresh, I think so. That is the reason Minecraft and the Clash of Clans. So overall the winner is the IQ7 device in terms of having the very good RAM management and keeping them in the multitasking. So maybe the extended RAM capabilities, these how they are useful. So right now let me show you exactly how much RAM is available after opening this many games. That is what I'm going to exactly show you. So 4.70 GB is used, 4.70, even though 11 GB of RAM is there, only 4.70 is used. I think even if you don't use the external RAM capabilities, still the phone will be able to manage. That is what my expectations are. Yes, maybe, because it's not using more RAM, much RAM it's not using at all. And let's see in the MI Linux device how much RAM. So 5.8 GB of 8 GB is available. As you can see, 5.8 GB is available out of 8 GB. That's fantastic. Close to 6 GB is available right now in the MI Linux device, even after opening all these kind of games in the background, as you can clearly see, friends. Now let's do the random test. Random test means randomly I'll try to open the games, so which will demonstrate the another performance levels. Let it open random test. That's fantastic. The IQ7 did open faster, and Temple Run, that's also fine, opened faster in the IQ7 device. And Subway Surf, fantastic. The IQ7 did not close the Subway Surf at all. And next is Ace Force. Ace Force also not got closed. As you can clearly see, friends, the proof. Smash It, both are kind of same. And Crashy Roads, both are same. And next game to test is a Getaway 2. Did not get closed, as you can see, friends, clearly. So overall, the final result is IQ7 is a clear winner in terms of having the really good RAM management and multitasking. You can store so many games in the background without closing them. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and make sure to stay tuned for more updates, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.